Bus. We are going to be reviewing the Beyblade vs. Rise set of Beyblades. Let's check it out. Arena, 2 Beyblades, and 2 Rippers, and 2 Ripcords. The names of the Beyblades are Ace Dragon D5. I don't know how to explain this, but I'm just going to say Busher and Miranda A5. This is the big arena. There is a big, nice graffiti Beyblade thing around, and here's the nice blue. And here are the 2 Beyblades I'm going to be showing you. So first we got Ace Dragon, and we got Busha Sandra A5, and then we got the 2 Rippers. They're both orange with a nice cool, nice white on them. Nice ripcords. Pieces of the Beyblades. So we got this nice green folded tip. It's a 7 disc. This disc is made out of floral plastic, and this is the full thing. And this one, I don't even know what this is, but we also have the nice green that actually just pops out if you want to switch with other bays that are green and stuff. We have Ace Dragon's parts. So we got a nice baby blue that is really nice. The same big rim around it. And we also have a nice curvy hexagon in it. And we also have Ace Dragon's thing. And also you can switch with other clear ones like that. And there's gold and everything. And also you can get the Beyblade Burst app if you want to scan stuff and everything. Now me and the Showstopper are going to battle today.
Round 1.
3, 2, 1, ready?
Go! Come on! Come on! Come on, Bushin! Let's go, Bushin! Bust him up, Bushin! W!
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Don't be afraid, attack! Destroy! Win! Come on! Oh! 2-0!
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Upgrade!
2, 1, let it rip! Come on! Come on, Bushin! Don't go home empty-handed this time! Come on! Come on! Get a burst out of this one! Burst! Burst!
No, you weren't funny!
Come on! Get a burst! Like 2 planets, gotta pull it out! Come on! Come on, home! Get away from here! Come on! Oh, I win!
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Come on, Bushin! Come on, home! Oh, Chasing! Chasing Brown! Oh! Look at Ace Dragon on the attack! Come on! Come on, Bushin! Bushin! Get him! Oh!
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Woo! It's bouncing in the old arena. Come on! Come on! Come on! Give me first ride! First ride!
Yes!
Oh,
Yes! I win!
man.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, Bushin! Hulk smash! Get him! Yeah, he's just spinning around. Come on, you'll be like a snake. Don't coil. Come on! Unfurl! Uncoil! Attack!
That's it!
Come on!
No! 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I need a burst.
First person!
Come on. Another win, boys. 6-2.
Now we're 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Some action here, y'all. Come on. Battle it out. First one, 2. Aw. 6-3.
Let it rip.
Bushin with blue. Oh, he's stopping you. Knock him out of the ring, boys. Get it, Bushin. Yes!
3, 2, 1, let it rip.
standing around here. Come on.
I won!
Hit the start. Come on!
3, 2, 1. Let it. Three, two, one. Let it.
Come on, Bushin.
Come on, Dragon, win!
Come on, Bushin.
Yeah!
Oh, man. 9-7.
2, 1. Please give us some 600 likes. If you like this video, please put notifications on and everything so you can watch more of our videos.
Thanks for watching, Mustard Buzz. Good game, little show boy. That was good. That was fun. And if you guys get this, like he said, let us know. We got it from Walmart, and let us know if you go there and get it too. And yeah, do some Beyblade bursts, and then let us know if you like them too. Thanks for watching the Showstopper shows. Thanks to the show boy for helping out today with the video. May the force be with you. May as present be with you. Always put a bow on the show, because that's a wrap. Show stops here.
And I'm going to show you what the box looks like one more time. You can get it at Walmart, Target, or on Amazon. Have a good day.